This is the right moment for us to rebuild our team. We're confident in our hockey group's ability, my hockey abilities as a GM to make good trades for the rebuild and for our fans to see something glorious in the next few years. We know this rebuild would be difficult. Every rebuild has challenges. We want to look at the big picture and our very bright future. Our objective is to build a younger, faster, stronger team. To do so, we will preserve a core group of veterans, good leaders, while tapping into the young elite NHL talent that will embrace our culture, our character, our chemistry that we want to build in the locker room for a long haul.
I speak it every day. I'm trying to get it poppin' each and every way. It's one nation under goons. My goons are stripping all these cats down in the under rules. Rules, 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 rules. Narco.
Hey, how are you? That was DJ. Come on in. Rinket, you know the guy that scores 40 goals every year? I know people are going to have a hard time believing this, but I remember sitting with Eugene in that year, February, and I said, I know one guy I want to sign it. He's going to help us to that next level. It was just time for us to take this step and to show that we mean business this year.
This has been a roller coaster of emotions for Ottawa.
Sanders have made a blockbuster trade.
Claude Giroux is coming home.
And possibly Pierre Dorion's best trade as a general manager to date.
It's going to be good.